Alright guys, so by the time you guys are watching this video, I just dropped these new t-shirts which are live on the website right now. We have 3 new t-shirts. So the first one, as you can see, we have this kind of like off-white color with the green font. The next one, as you can see, is kind of like this brown color with a mocha-ish colored font. The cool thing about these shirts is they're like kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's like, it's pigment dyed. They're kind of like faded, more of like a vintage vibe. Honestly, my favorite thing is the colors. They're like nice and tight. That's like a huge thing with like shirts with me. They're more of like a heavyweight kind of street style to it. Last but not least, as you can see, we have a vintage black t-shirt. I think this one, between this one and then between this one and the previous brown one I just showed you guys, honestly are my top 2. I love these ones so much. Yeah, like I said before we start today's video, I just want to let you guys know real quick that these new shirts are now live on the website. As always, the link will be down in the description below. I appreciate it so much in advance to whoever places an order on the website. With all that being said, let's get right into today's video. If you guys missed the last video with the STI right here, unfortunately we got state refed. If you guys don't know what a state ref is, basically in California, if a cop really wants to, if you have like a modified exhaust or anything, he can send you to a state ref, and that pretty much means you have to put this thing back to stock and get it smog checked. It's such a hassle. It's pretty much a California car guy's worst nightmare. And yeah, first stay ref in the STI, unfortunately. He pretty much popped my hood, saw my intake right here. I was like, yo, where's the carb sticker? This dude's really searching my freaking hood. Oh gosh.
Do you have the carb stickers for this?
I never got one, no.
And then where's your front plate? Yeah.
Obviously we do not have one on this, so he pretty much stay refed me. Not only do we get stay refed, but right here, if you guys are not familiar, it says vehicle must be removed from the roadway immediately and may not be driven until in compliance, which pretty much means back to stock. So annoying. So we literally cannot drive the STI, and that's pretty much why today's video we're going to be doing some garage modifications. This thing is stuck right here for a while until we get this thing all situated. So as far as updates on the stay ref, unfortunately I do not have any updates, but I've been doing my research and I've been asking you guys in the comments down below as well as on Instagram, and a lot of you guys who have gone through this process right here have been giving me a ton of advice. So honestly, I appreciate it so much to all you who have reached out, like I said, on YouTube and on Instagram with all the tips and advice as far as the state ref. Honestly, so many of you guys have gotten state ref before, which is crazy. That just shows how California is with like car modifications. But anyways, once again, thank you so much for all the tips, advice, feedback, you name it. It sucks, literally, like I said, it's the California car guy's worst nightmare, aside from getting impounded. But we're gonna make the best out of it. It is what it is. Not really complaining, because you know it is part of the game. We are running some super illegal modifications on this car. I kind of asked for it, you know, like I said, it's part of the car game, and we just gotta deal with it. Since we cannot drive this thing for a while, we're gonna make the best out of it. We got some new modifications for this car that I've yet to put on. Since it's stuck at home, I can't drive it. Now is the perfect time to install those mods. Ooh, this has been collecting dust. Oh, finally, super excited to put this thing on. So these two modifications go pretty much hand in hand. If you guys can put 2 and 2 together, or if this looks familiar to you, you guys know what we're gonna be installing today. First things first, let's go ahead and air this thing up and remove this front bumper. Unfortunately, the new mod for today's video is not the install of the new wheels. Right here we have the new wheels for the STI. Very soon. I just want to drive this thing so bad. We gotta get this thing on the ramps. I haven't started this thing in so long. Pretty excited to hear it, honestly. Here it is, guys. So this right here is the lower class garage front bash bar for the WRX and STI. Alonzo over from lower class garage hit me up and he was like, yo, need a front brace for your STI. So I was like, I'm super down. And yeah, we got it over, and the cool thing is he hooked me up with a discount code for you guys watching this video. Right here on the screen, we have a discount code for 10% off these front braces right here. And yeah, he hooked it up big time for the STI as well as for you guys with that discount code. Super nice. We got it in the gloss white finish. Essentially this goes something like this, and you'll be able to see it through the front grille, so it's super sick. It's just a nice little detail. And dude, now seeing this, like the white accents on the car, I don't know guys, I don't know. Should we just paint these Meisters white? I don't know guys. We got some white accents, and dude, I don't know, I feel like white Meisters would look so good with this wrap color. Dude, I don't know. What should we do? Should we keep it gunmetal or should we get these refinished in white? I think I'm gonna leave that up to you guys. Let me know down in the comment section below. Anyways, let's go and figure out how to put this thing on. It looks super simple. We got 4 bolt holes right here. Alright. Just remove that. 4 12mm bolts on each side, 1 2 3 4, also on the other side. So we are gonna be putting this back on the car. It's not like a direct replacement with this just goes behind that. We have to take this thing off first. Once we put that thing on the car, we'll go ahead and put the stock one back on. It should look something like this. So there is one, I think it's a 10mm up here, and then a 10mm bolt up here. For the bottom holes, we're gonna reuse this hole, which is the 12 we took off, and then same with the other side. We're gonna reuse this hole right here for the bash bar. So super freaking easy, guys. Literally 4 bolts right there, and let's get right to it. That kind of looks funny with no bumper. Looks like a fish. Now at first, I thought it didn't fit right because I made the mistake of putting the original bash bar plate in front of the front brace right here. This actually goes on top of it. But yeah, don't make that mistake. This goes on top of the OEM one. But yeah, everything fits perfect. And guys, we're not done yet. So freaking clean. So this is the last piece of the puzzle for, I guess you could say, the whole little front end transformation. So this is gonna show the brace way better than the stock one right here. Stock one has a whole bunch going on, but this with the mesh on the OLM one, this is gonna fit perfect for the new front brace. So this right here is from Subispeed. I'll go and have the link down in the description below. Just like the front brace, we do have a discount code on Subispeed for majority of the parts that they sell on their website: exhaust, suspension, interior parts, wheels, you name it. I have a discount code as well. This will be right here on the screen to save you guys 10% off majority of the parts on their website. And yeah, this thing came in right on time because literally it just flows so well with the front brace. So yeah, let's pop off the old stock one and let's install the new front grille. Guys, that looks way different. Dude, that's crazy. Excuse all the mess. We have some people working in the house. Dude, that front grille looks amazing. Super easy install, just like the front brace. And dude, I can't wait. Let's just put this thing back on the car. Yo, what do you guys think of the new grille? I know with this lighting it's kind of hard to see, but what do you guys think of the new grille with the front brace, white front brace for the STI? Let me know down in the comment section below. Dude, it looks so good aired out. Gosh, bro, I wish I could freaking drive this thing and get rollers. That freaking sucks, but this will do for now. This little garage installation. I hope you guys still kind of enjoy these, like, you know, garage installs. Like I said, I wish we can, you know, go out, get rollers and stuff, but you know, this will do for now. guys, we're back in the FRS and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I gotta get some last minute content with the new t-shirts that are live right now. I believe a few reels. I have a few ideas that I want to do. I get some questions here and there asking, you know, how do I do my reels and stuff. Not that my reels are like complex or anything, because they're honestly super simple and basic, but I'll just go and show you guys, you know, how I get my content on Instagram and stuff. Literally all I do for Instagram is I just use my iPhone 12. That's the only thing that I use for Instagram. Yeah, I just shoot 1080p 60 frames per second, and I don't know, it actually comes out pretty cool. So I just stick to the basics, you know, nothing too crazy, no crazy edits like, you know, you see some reels that are just like absolutely crazy. Not really my style. I just do basic jump cuts, but yeah, gotta get some last minute content before the sun goes down. And yeah, let's go. Got the fit right here. Got another hat. We got the two other shirts that we're gonna be shooting. Tripod, you know, the basic necessities. I'm sorry if the wind is freaking crazy right now. We're in this open field. All right, I'll put you guys right here. I'm gonna get some reels for these new shirts. I think that's gonna do it for a little photo shoot. I think I got a majority of the clips that I wanted to get. Got a whole bunch of, I don't know, I had this idea, maybe I can like show you guys later in the video. Kind of switches in between shirts as I do this like super cool transition. I don't know, I'll probably show you guys in a little bit. Pretty much got all the content I wanted to get with the new t-shirts right here. And dude, it's so freaking cold right now. But yeah, this is a basic tripod. You guys are probably gonna ask what kind this is and the phone mount. I'll go and have these links down in the description below. Super cheap off of Amazon. It gets the job done. I use it for my reels, and I use this thing so freaking much for my videos, like filming part installs and stuff for the car. This thing just comes in handy so much. So all right, it is time to get back to the car because I am freaking cold. All my shirts are dirty now because they're on the dirt. Alright, so I spent a little bit of time editing it, and here's what I came up with. It's kind of the vision, what I was trying to tell you guys. It's pretty sick, huh? I love it. Actually, it's the first time actually doing this. Pretty sick. Damn, I'm super proud of myself. I feel like a freaking TikToker right now. No, I'm just kidding. Like, a lot of you guys always ask like, oh, what equipment do you use? The camera I use is a Canon EOS M50. It gets the job done, you know, it can zoom in and out. Basic vlogging camera. A lot of people use iPhone 12 for Instagram. You know, I don't have a 14. Like I said, you don't need crazy stuff, you know, just stuff that gets the job done. For 2 to 3 years in the beginning of my YouTube channel, I filmed all my videos with the GoPro Hero 5. So, you know, that just shows that you don't need the most expensive gear to, you know, get things going. And yeah, I mean, that's just my little tip for you guys. If you guys wanted to start, like, you know, content, all you need is a phone. And really all you need is a phone. People film YouTube videos with their iPhone. That's how good the quality is on these things nowadays. But yeah, basic stuff. Alright guys, I just finished editing the video you guys just watched. Didn't really get a proper outro while I was filming this video, so I figured I'd end it off right here. 1:56 a.m. You guys know the deal. I gotta get up in like a few hours literally for work. I got a freaking headache. But yeah, I just gotta finish up this video and also finish up some stuff for the website because I am dropping the new shirts literally today as I'm filming this. So I gotta catch up on a lot of stuff. I'm trying to do this all last minute before I gotta go to work. Yeah, a little behind the scenes. Got all the mock-ups right here. Gotta put them all on the website. All the, you know, all the fun stuff behind the scenes. But yeah, we're gonna knock this out tonight, and I'm tired, but it's gonna be worth it. I gotta get it out for you guys. I've been using these new headphones. These are the Bose S700s, I believe they're called. My girlfriend actually got me these for Valentine's Day. I've been using some Beats for like editing and working out, And honestly, I do not like those beats whatsoever. I feel like they're so overhyped. We actually got some new ones and these are actually really sick. So super hyped on these, kind of just testing them out right now while I was editing. But yeah, we're gonna end off the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was kind of like a chill garage install. Well, I feel like we always do that on the channel, but I don't know, this one was kind of different. I feel like it was just like a chill little, you know, small modification. But regardless, hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely want to get those wheels on ASAP on the STI. Maybe we'll do that video sometime soon. But yeah, more to come. I gotta get to work. I gotta get all this stuff finished before I go to sleep. With that being said, I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you guys for reaching this point in the video. With that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.